Hi my dear beginner violin player, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie and I will be your violin teacher. On my channel you saw already so many videos with the lessons for the beginner violin players, intermediate violin players, some music theory lessons. I decided, guys, to create for you a songbook, 15 easy songs for beginner violin players. This book available only in PDF format, so you always will be able to use your book or on a tablet or on your computer or maybe even on the phone. To be able to use this book, the only thing what you need to have on your computer or your tablet or your phone is Adobe Reader. Like this, it will be much more easier for you to use that book. MP3 files with the piano plus metronome accompaniment coming in the separate folder. So first what you're gonna do, you'll open your book, you look at the first page where you have a song, then you click on free lesson with the book open, you watch free lesson, and then after that you'll play your exercises. And when you play your exercise for the song and the song, of course you can use the MP3 piano plus metronome accompaniment. I think enough with the presentation and we should start with our lessons. The song number 2, Lightly Roll. Please first look at the tempo, moderato BPM 105. To be able to play with your MP3 accompaniment, you have to learn where you're supposed to start. So, please look at the time signature. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to do it by yourself. After you play the song, you have to exercise this song. I'm pretty sure that it wasn't so easy. That's why we have 3 more exercises. Why we need those exercises? Like this, we will learn how to use our bow. We'll learn the placement of our fingers on the fingerboard. And of course, we will learn notes and feel more comfortable to play with the accompaniment. Look at this yellow sticker in your songbook. Exercise number 1. Use the same amount of the bow for every 8 note. Play currently to a metronome. For exercise 1, I want you to play full bow for half notes. And 8 notes, tip of the bow and next to the frog, just like this girl on the video. Let's have a look. Might help you with intonation. For example, if first time you play a note out of tune, for the second, third and fourth time you can correct yourself and not do that mistake again. Exercise number 2. Let's check what our sticker says. Playing the different parts of the bow. I want you to play quarter notes and half notes for the full bow, and 8 notes, tip of the bow, and next to the frog. Play accurately to a metronome. On your bow. Your bow have to be exactly in the middle between bridge and fingerboard. And exercise 3, bow stroke legato and string crossing. In meantime, please don't forget that you have to use half of the bow for quarter notes, full bow for bow stroke legato. Like this we will explore our bow better. Let's check how the girl on the video plays legato and if she's doing good string crossing. Playing on the different strings, don't forget about positioning of your right elbow. This book will help you to improve your bow skills and also bow stroke détaché and legato. As well, you will learn how to play with the metronome and to not run a little bit ahead of metronome or to be a little bit behind the metronome. As well, you will feel more comfortable to play with the piano, because sometimes students, they learn their part but they don't know the piano part, and when they are playing with the accompaniment they don't feel very secure. So this book will help you to do that as well, to feel secure when you're playing with the piano or any other accompaniment. And of course, instead of using stickers on your violin, this book will help you to learn the notes on your violin with these nice happy yellow pictures. Don't forget to practice and see you in the next video lesson.